Hey dude, this is 13 Active Town. I'm in my theater room. Um, so this is how to open your xBox video. So first you have to start off going like this. Take the nameplate out right there. And go to sub to my friend called BR40L5Y. He does 10th lobbies. He's a pretty sick guy. So you got this up, put it in a pile, take your hard drive off, and take the bottom off. I kind of broke it, but it doesn't matter. I lost a couple clips, so I only have 2. And take, oh that's good. And you see there's little clips right there. And they're all around there, so you have to get a flathead like this and dig in there.
Matt?
Yeah, Mom?
Did you turn in your mini society thing?
Yep.
Did you get a grade?
Not yet.
Did he look at it?
Yeah, I think so.
Was he mad?
No, he liked it.
What?
He liked it.
Kinda?
Yeah.
I can't hear you. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Sorry guys, that was my mom. So, here are the little clips. You just unclip them. It's kind of hard when you first get your xBox because mine's easy because I've been doing this for a while. I'm trying to get it open right. And see, I just clip it like that. I really don't care if I have scratches on my xBox. I'm not one of those people that would get freaked out or something.
Okay, so we'll do something else. We'll pick some other thing to do.
What's like a screen? We'll all moan for it.
Ah, crap, it's hard.
Real ice cream. Sonic's got it, others don't. Grab a real ice cream shake today and get yourself free on the spot. Or next visit. It's rich, it's creamy, it's fun.
Okay, so that's open now. So you just like pull it off. Wait a minute, guys. There we go, I pulled it off. And here it is. There it is. And so here are the screws. So here's what you have to take off. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and all the gold screws. Like, here are the main ones right here, and you need Torx 10. Here, Torx 10 are the best. Here, wait, let me take this off, wait. Okay, I got this one off, I forgot. Okay, so you need to take this one off, this one, oh, right, that one on the left corner, all of the outside, and those 2 large ones right there, that one and that one. Okay, so you need a Torx 10 screwdriver. Okay, so I'm going to start doing this.
His teammate, quarterback Tony Romo, who drew from the U.S. Open personal qualifier after it was delayed for the 2nd time due to bad weather. He was usually for the San Cowboys Tuesday. Romo was 4 shots behind the leader midway through the event. Another Cowboy leads off news and notes. Wide receiver Patrick Creighton, who skipped the first 3 days of voluntary OTAs, back catching passes. Falcons running back Michael Turner says he's 90% after suffering a high ankle sprain in April. And Chargers safety Calvin Ellison, who was arrested 2 days before last month's minicamp and told to stay away from Chargers Park,
There's one screw right there.
has been at the facility and was expected at Tuesday's coaching session. The anticipation is nearly over. The 21-year-old with a fastball that approaches 100 miles per hour and the curve that freezes batters is about to take the mound in the nation's capital. Pittsburgh, set to make his Washington Nationals debut tonight. What NFL rookie are you looking forward to the most?
I think this year, we did a lot of talk about the Chargers on the show. I'm going to go with Ryan Matthews, running back out of Fresno State. He's a runner that the Chargers haven't had in a long time. He's a downhill runner. He'll also bounce it out. He has got skill. He can do it all for this offense. They were 31st in rushing the ball last year, the San Diego Chargers. And also, North Turner, when he's had his most success, it's when he's had a runner, when he was like he was with the Dallas Cowboys, and the Smith. That's who I think I'm looking forward to watching.
Okay, you team my guy with Miles Austin, Roy E. Williams, and Clayton. Dez Bryant.
So guys, I'm done with the third screw. You need to do 6 long ones. Long ones are the... One, two, three.
It's going to open him up. He's not going to have to face a double team early in his career for the first maybe 4 or 5 games. So I think he's going to be a huge explosion for the Dallas Cowboys.
His head coach has been gushing over.
I know. Greatest player ever seen in 30 years of football. I hope.
3 and a half. Do my 4th. And after I'm going to put it back all together, so it's going to be fun.
Should the Jets give Jerome Nevis the contract he wants?
That's right. I'm talking about nominee Asamoah type of money. Give it to him. The cash.
I need one more long screw.
You got to pay him.
Ian Hendricks asks, is this North Turner's hot seat here in San
Yeah,
Diego?
look at that.
If he is on the hot seat, he has to make a serious run to the
That's
Super Bowl
cool.
this year. If not go to the Super Bowl, it's his 4th year. He has a very
One more.
talented team, a great young player in Ryan Matthews. He's got to get it done.
Horton DX, with the additions of Antonio Bryan and rookies Jermaine Gresham and Jordan Shipley.
Okay, so this is what you're going to do after you're done screwing all the 6 silver screws.
Cincinnati right now. So when you talk about top status, talk about top status.
Keep them in a safe place where you don't lose them because I have screws and buttons. So this is what you have to do.
Because they need to focus on the running game.
Okay, Max
Wait 1 second.
993 is so good we gave him 2. Who should be the
Oi,
starting quarterback?
this is
for
what you
the
do.
Cardinals?
Max, what I'm going to do
Wait,
is
my password's gone. I need to see what I'm doing.
waiting there behind Kurt Warner.
Okay,
Nothing's true, though.
so
Matt Lyon
this side,
and Derek Anderson, they're not gonna be Kurt
you
Warner,
have to
but
flip
they
it,
can contribute. Kurt Warner should
and it
be
flips
the
right off. Here it is. So here's the inside. H drive in mine is a Phillips Light-On, and my motherboard is a Falcon, and it's J-tagged right now. So if anybody wants to buy it for 100, 125, 130, just let me know because I'll be really happy to sell this. It's Falcon, I J-tagged it. So, and here's the fan. This is the farthest I know how to go. So this is what you do. Get a flat head like this, put it in between there, and lift it up. And you notice that the DVD drive comes up too, and that goes out. And this is the farthest I need to go. Then, go like this, and there's 2 plugs in the back of the DVD drive right there and there. You pull that one out and pull that one out. That's as far as I can go. But if anybody knows how to go farther, just let me know. I know you need a 12-8, so let's start putting this baby back together. Okay, there's gonna be a part 2, because I have 8 minutes or 1 minute. So, part 2, and bye-bye, YouTube. It's gonna be a part 2, I don't close it now. So, peace.